later. So let's go ahead and get them numbers up. Stop playing with me. We got Kevin McDaniel up in here. I see Jamal. I see Danny. I see AJ. I see the Orion 101. This is cool. I kind of like this. When you put a helmet on, you get a certain level of I don't give a damn. Okay, because like if I was sitting here just talking loud with the window down, when cars roll by, I would kind of look them in their eye a little bit, you know? But with this helmet on, it gives me an extra level of protection for other people's emotions. I don't care what people think. Look, I'm about to look them right in their face when they drive by. I don't care. This is what you got to realize. See, once you become a content creator, you got to stop giving a damn. I know y'all all heard the phrase, fuck it. You got to have a little bit of fuck it in your system. I'm just like, fuck it. Look, I got it up. Look, next car roll by, I'm staring them right in the eye. Right in the eyeball. Because why not? At this point, why not? Now, y'all kind of far away. I got this new phone holder from Walmart. It was on sale for $6.88 in the electronics department. I said, baby, grab me one of those. I'm finna hook it up in the car. So I got y'all like all the way on the passenger side, like on the far passenger side. So I can't even reach y'all for real. Like I got to straight lean all the way over. God damn, all up in your motherfucking face looking ass. Still ain't 100 people in here. Y'all ain't shit. God damn. Y'all ain't shit. I'm about to pull off. Hold on. Look at all these nice ass. Oh shit, we got the close up. We got the close up. Oh shit. Yes, sir. They just paid for the helmet right there. I appreciate that. Shout out to you. Who is that? This helmet cost me $56 on Amazon. Shout out to Amazon for charging me full price for this motherfucking helmet. Thank you, Mikhail Spy Rides. Yes, sir. I appreciate that. They just paid for the helmet right there. This mug cost 50. It was two of them. I got a motocross helmet and I got this one, but this one was more cleaner and it brung out more of my FDA presence. So I said, you know what, we're going with this one. Because you got to realize, now that I got this helmet and I got this scooter that's in the back, I'm FDA again. I'm the fastest dasher alive, okay? Yes, it may be other scooters out there that's faster than mine. Yes, it may be some e-bikes that got a higher mile per hour than my scooter, yes. But what you gotta realize is, when I'm on the order, nobody's faster than me. That's why I'm FDA. And now that I got this helmet, now that I got this scooter, we out here, cuz. These non-tippers better watch out. Cause I'll bring you that motherfucking ice cream, but guess what? It ain't up under no AC. It's finna hit all these sun rays and this heat. It's finna beam right down on this bag, cause it is what it is, okay? I gotta make this money, okay? And I gotta have fun when I'm out here doing this food delivery. Okay, when I first started doing Doordash, it was fun. It was fun to go out there and make that money. Get you a couple tips. You know what I'm saying? This shit ain't motherfucking fun no more. It ain't fun when you ain't making no fucking money. What the hell, man? This shit used to be fun in a motherfucker. This shit ain't no fun no more. So I said, you know what? Hold on, let me open up the air vent. See, they got a little air vent right there. That way it don't be no vibrations. And I'm trying to bring some fun back to this Doordash shit. God damn, got me out here with this helmet on in the back of this motherfucking Walmart. What nigga you know? Show me another nigga that's got a helmet on in the back of Walmart right now. Show me. God damn, I'm cleaning the motherfucker. Hold on now. I ain't know I was getting it like that. Hold on now. Yeah, we out here. We outside today. Now see, it look like it's finna rain. You see, it look like it's finna rain. If it didn't look like it was gonna rain, I would just go ahead and bust this bad boy out right now. Cause I already done rode it like twice. Okay, and I got my delivery bag in the car with me. You know what I'm saying? But it looked like it's finna rain, y'all. It looked like it's gonna rain. Hold on. Yes, sir. We out here. Yes, sir. Stop playing. Thank you so much for that super chat. I appreciate you. You just paid for this helmet, sir. I appreciate that. You know, we got to be safe out here when we delivering to these non-tippers. Do a 360. No, sir. I will bust my cranium. I'm not trying to bust my cranium today, sir. We're going to do a live stream on the scooter, though. You better believe that. Scooter live stream is coming. Yes, sir. Oh, up close and personal. Boy, I look like a goddamn Power Ranger with this. I'm the Black Ranger. I am the Black Doordash Ranger. I'm a Doordash Power Ranger. Go ahead. Somebody